Have you ever felt refreshed after standing near a waterfall or breathing in the air after a thunderstorm? That sensation isn't just in your head. These natural environments are rich in negative ions, tiny charged particles that, when inhaled, interact with our bodies in remarkable ways. Studies suggest that negative ions can increase oxygen flow to the brain, resulting in higher alertness and mental energy. They're also believed to reduce stress hormones, helping you think more clearly. Next time you need a mental boost, seek out moving water or a fresh storm.